Now we move to level 2.
Why is the second insect's distance shown from insect 1 and not from the frog?
That's because the frog will first jump to insect 1.
Then to insect 2.
Very well. Time to write the function now. This time, we need 2 inputs. Distance 1 and 2.
You can do that.
But here's a challenge. You have to do it using only one argument.
I see.
What are you thinking, Theo?
The function needs 2 inputs. And they both are distance. So I'm thinking of storing them in a list and pass it to the function.
That way, the count of arguments will be 1.
But you can pass 2 values in one list. Smart.